Today's top story. The Fed's housing market reset isn't letting up anytime soon. Oh boy. More on that in a minute. Hi everybody, Joe Hillner with your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty, where we guarantee the sale of your home or I'll buy it. Every week I share market data to keep you informed with the local real estate market. Here is this week's Boca Market Watch. First, single-family homes. This past week, 54 new listings, the new normal, ranging in price from $394K to $7.6 million. 9 homes back on the market, while 64 homes listed took a price decrease, and 3 sellers raised their asking price. And another bad week with just 27 different properties under contract and 17 going pending. Not good at all. 42 homes unsuccessful in selling and taken off the market or expired outright. Starting to see that metric on the rise. And an average week for sales with 53 homes sold ranging from $340,000 to $3.1 million. Next up, condos and townhomes. 66 new listings, a little better, ranging from $122,000 to $12 million. 17 units back on the market, 64 properties with a price decrease, that's a lot, and 9 sellers with an increase. And a terrible week with 36 different properties under contract and just 21 going pending. 36 condos or townhomes unsuccessful in selling and taken off the market or expired. And we sold 66 closed sales this past week, that's better, ranging in price from $111K to $2.2 mil. And here's what's making news right now. The chairman of the Federal Reserve, Jerome Powell, acknowledges that more pain awaits the U.S. housing market. As expected, the Fed took another 3/4 of a point rate hike this week, the 4th such move this year. In announcing the increase, Powell said that failing to tackle inflation and allowing it to become entrenched is far riskier than over-tightening the money supply. He said, quote, "We have a ways to go. We have ground to cover with interest rates before we get to that level of interest rates that is sufficiently restrictive. We will stay the course until the job is done." Close quote. That's not exactly welcome news to builders, mortgage brokers, and buyers. Powell acknowledged that continued quantitative tightening means more pain still awaits the U.S. housing market. Another quote, "Housing is significantly affected by these higher rates," he said. "The housing market needs to get back into a balance between supply and demand. We're well aware of what's going on out there." Close quote. So earlier this year, he said it was his intention to reset the housing market, and that is exactly what is happening. So what does this mean for the real estate market going into 2023? First, from a macro perspective, the U.S. housing market is already experiencing a difficult correction. Those are Powell's words. Locally, we are still in a seller's market, slightly, but that seems to be changing rapidly. Second, some areas of the country are already seeing price drops. In our area, due to population shift and the net inflow into our state, plus the continued demand from foreign buyers, we've been somewhat insulated from price drops. But that could change soon. And when prices go down, they tend to drop rapidly. I've seen it before. Third, the demand boom that spiked due to COVID has all but dried up. In the face of soaring mortgage rates and a declining stock market, that demand boom deflated. Second home purchases tanked, flippers called timeout, and some would-be buyers got called back into the office. In our area, we're seeing days on market has doubled in the last 60 days and inventory continues to climb. At the worst of the feeding frenzy, we were down to about a 5-week supply of homes in Boca. We now have about 3.5 months of supply, with a balanced market being around a 5.5-month supply. In just the last 90 days, the time it takes to get a property sold has increased by 50%. Wow. So with demand slipping and supply increasing, it doesn't take a PhD in economics to figure out what's coming down the road. I've always been a glass half full kind of guy. However, when you look at everything that's going on, you can't help but realize winter is coming. Okay, that's it for today. If you like some specific market data on your neighborhood, just send me a text or give us a call at 954-799-6867. And if you're watching this on my YouTube channel and you like the information, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons down below, as well as the notifications icon bell. Till next time, this is Joe Hillner with your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty, signing off for now. Go serve big, everybody, and be nice to each other. I'll see you next week.